Assuming you work in a team, the information needs to be constantly updated, so how to do it with Excel? In this video, I do share Excel over LAN and allow continuous and timely updates. First, add Shared Workbook buttons to the Quick Access Toolbar. Click File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar. Open the list under Choose Commands from and select All Commands. Scroll down that list until you see Share Workbook Legacy. Select that item and click Add. Now 4 new buttons will appear at the top of the Excel window. Click the Share Workbook Legacy button from the Quick Access Toolbar. Go to Form and check the option Use the old Shared Workbooks feature instead of the new co-authoring experience and click OK. Next, share that Excel file over your network. Click Properties, Share, then Add Everyone. Finally, you share your Excel file with your team. Each time you click Save, the Edit, Add New Content will be updated. And you also know who did it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.